Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 BMW M2. This is the latest and greatest version of BMW's smallest and most affordable M car, and it's looking better than ever. Exterior: the new M2 gets a more aggressive front fascia with a larger grille and new headlights. The rear end also gets a makeover with the new diffuser and taillights. Overall, the new M2 looks more muscular and menacing than its predecessor. Interior: the interior of the new M2 is also upgraded with new materials and finishes. The seats are more supportive and the steering wheel is thicker. The M2 also gets a new infotainment system with a larger touchscreen and support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Performance: under the hood, the new M2 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces 402 horsepower and 332 pounds-feet of torque. This is a significant bump in power over the previous M2, which had a 3.0-liter turbocharged six-cylinder engine with 365 horsepower. The new M2 is also faster than its predecessor, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.1 seconds. This is thanks to its lighter weight and more powerful engine. Driving dynamics: the new M2 is a blast to drive. It's agile and responsive, and it has plenty of power. The car also has a good balance between performance and comfort. The M2 is perfect for those who want a fun and sporty car that can also be used for everyday driving. The 2024 BMW M2 is a great car. It's fast, fun to drive, and has a luxurious interior. If you're looking for a small and affordable M car, the M2 is the perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.